Hey guys, you want pancakes?
Yeah, sure, that'd be delightful.
Can I help you?
Just wanted to make sure you're doing it right, that's all.
Oh, right. Am I?
Nope.
Real men don't use spatulas.
Well, I guess I'm not a real man then.
Well, why don't you just use your hands then?
What? No.
You wuss.
I'm not a wuss.
Then prove it and use your hands instead of a spatula.
Like a real man. What? No, I'll get burned.
What a baby.
I'm not a baby.
Baby, baby, stick your hands in gravy.
Go wash my car. Oh wait, you can't.
'Cause you're a baby.
All right, fine.
Wow, what a loser.
I'm not a baby.